Here we are with a new video. Now we will make penguin today, which is very easy to make. Become very quick. We will take a page whose length is 20 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. Now apply glue and paste them together. Now draw U shape and cut it very well, and we'll cut U shape from both sides. Take a white page and draw a complete U shape in it, and we'll cut very well. Now subscribe my channel for new video. Now apply glue and paste them together. Now we will make his gloves. After drawing the gloves, they will do a very good cutting. Now subscribe my channel for new video. Apply glue and paste it. We will draw wings and cut it very carefully. Apply glue and paste it. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comments. Draw small circle and cut eyes in circle shape. Take a whitener and draw white dot in eyes. Draw a pig and cut fold like this very carefully. Apply glue and paste it. Very beautiful and attractive penguin is ready. Make it very easy and fastest, not taking time. Don't forget subscribe button, like, share and comment. Bye bye.